Here we have the mirror installed. It is secured by 2 screws. I have one in a stud and one using the anchor. It is able to tilt up and down, whichever direction that we need. It is secured and able to not move back and forth by just the mirror itself, but there's also little screws under here that you can tighten even harder if you wanted to almost not move at all. Or you can loosen them a little bit so that way you can tilt it back and forth, whichever way works best for you. This is a gorgeous stainless steel. It is corrosion resistant. You are able to put this in a bathroom, put this in your living room, bedroom, wherever you need without having to worry about the moisture ruining it. It's not going to rust. It's going to be able to hold up. You can see the beautiful quality of the mirror and how it looks. Here you can see the quality of the mirror and the reflection. You're able to tilt back and forth depending on your need.